Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Happy Monday. I hope you had a great weekend. This is Sami Abusaad coming live this Monday morning, afternoon. It's morning my time. I'm on the West Coast. But I just wanted to share with you an incredible pattern that a caveman can do it, right? The pattern is, this is not actually an ideal example because the first bar wasn't too big, but the pattern is called a bearish 1, 2, 3 continuation pattern. So you have the initial breakdown bar or bearish bar, and then you have a resting inside bar. Sometimes you have multiple bars, like 2, 3 of these, and then the continuation wide range igniting bar again. So this is the pattern, and it's called a 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3, 4, depending on how many inside bars you have. Today the VIPs gapped up about 50%, I think 49% on the daily chart, and gapped to where? To prior resistance. Let me show you the weekly, maybe the monthly chart. That's the weekly chart. Just think about it like this. If you were in the VIPs, stuck in it long, maybe you bought it here, maybe you bought it there, and the stock continued lower, 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 and then you woke up one day and you had a 50% gap in your favor, you got your money back. Wouldn't you take it? Wouldn't you want to, to exit? I would, if I was stuck in it. Of course, as a professional trader, I would never hold it when it's going against me. But that's why on the VIPs, this gap up, I was bearish on this gap up. So I noticed that it set up long here on the 15-minute chart at lunch, and then the big green bar got negated, so no follow through. And notice that's a decent sized red bar, and then a nice narrow range bar, 6 cents bar, 5-cent bar. So that's a 1, 2, 3 short. Now it didn't drop a whole lot. It had a 20-cent drop. You have to always think about the reward to risk. So if this is 5 cents, that's 20 cents. It means it made 4 to 1, right? But it also based again and another breakdown to 72. And I told the room to trail 72. So nice little play. It's so easy. I mean, this is the easiest pattern, really, honestly. This is almost like the easiest pattern you can get in trading. The other easy pattern, which I talked about the other day, last week, is the power trend. This is my P&L from the VIPs today. Hey, $1,500. I'm done. I'm not done. I'll always make myself available to make more money. But do I need anything else? I don't. Let me show you Friday. What was the play for me? Oracle, right? Let me show you the 1, 2, 3 on Oracle on Friday. Better than the VIPs, but it didn't last very long. There it is. The wide range bar. Maybe you missed the initial entry. You got the second chance. Let me show you well, before I show you the day before that, Friday was the 15th. Let me show you the P&L for the 15th, okay? These are I just do it so you have proof, right? What was the play of the day? Oracle, $1,300, $1,400, right? The day before that, Thursday, CRTO. Let's take a look. I think it was on the 2-minute chart also, but I'm not sure. On Wednesday, I believe. And there it is. I don't know. It was on off the 5-minute. A 1, 2, 3 pattern, short. And here it is. The igniting breakdown bar and then the narrow range one. This was an official call in the black room. Just like the VIPs, it dropped, didn't fall apart, but based, and another drop. See this? Beautiful, isn't it? Breakdown. Maybe you're not in it. Maybe it wasn't good enough. Now it is. Short under 66, stop over 14. The initial break, and then another breakdown, just like the VIPs, except I think this made a little more. The 14th, I always take a picture of my P&L just for record keeping, and I can always, so that I can always go back to it when needed. Here it is. So CRTO, $2,000 almost for the day. 3,000 made 2/3 of the P&L for that day, right? 3 days in a row. The same pattern made my day, right? Now you can't go around looking for a red bar and a doji bar, a small bar, and then playing it short, you have to know which stock to do it on. So that's the first and most important thing, is you have to select the right stock. Okay? But then that's the pattern. I just shared it with you. It also applies to the upside, long. I'm looking at my charts as I'm speaking here to see if there was anything that had a 1, 2, 3 long. I'm not seeing anything that that was a 1, 2, 3, a bullish 1, 2, 3. But I hope you enjoyed today's quick lesson. Sometimes, as I said, it happens after multiple bars. This was mentioned also in the room, but I didn't do it. So here's the first bar, and then it wasn't an inside bar. We like when they do a double top, a double bottom, when the second bar's low is equal to the first. And so kind of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 short. Or you can just call this a base breakdown. After a while, what I like just 1 or 2 bars, right? Just 1 or 2 bars. This way it's immediate. When it bases for a while, that's fine too. That's a base, that becomes a base breakdown. But I like the 1, 2, 3 even more. So again, I hope you enjoyed it, and it's truly the simplest or the second, it's my maybe second favorite simplest pattern that you can do. So I just wanted to come on and share that with you quickly. Have a great day, have a great week, and happy holidays if I don't talk to you sometime soon.